The movie.
Yeah.
Yes, because
Yeah.
that's a great movie. It stars Danny DeVito.
Now you're alive.
Danny DeVito and Bette Midler. It's a great movie. Danny DeVito and Bette Midler. Hey guys, I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway Street 154 in Acworth, Georgia. And also reminding you of our second location at Crowley, maybe a little overcast. So if you have any sports activities tomorrow, I'm praying for you. I'm hoping for you. But today is Free Diagnostic Fridays, and what that means is if you bring a laptop or desktop, you kind of get back.
Must mention.
Yes, please mention this ad so we know that you guys are listening to us, because we enjoy talking to you guys about technology. So Free Diagnostic Fridays allows us to look at your device and say, hey, is it worth fixing it or not fixing it? Coming back to like virus bad, Computers Plus good. You guys remember that? That was an awesome thing that I think I'm gonna start. I think I'm gonna bring that back in. Like Computers Plus good, virus bad. So Free Diagnostic Fridays. Make sure you bring your device in so we can check it out and let you know if it's worth fixing it or if it's not worth fixing it. Now, I want to also talk to you guys about what's happening at Computers Plus from now until June 17th. We're having an Apple extravaganza. Did I say that right? Apple extravaganza. Okay, I'm just gonna stop saying it. I'm just gonna hold up the sign. So basically, what it is you buy. It's a graduation sale because why? People are graduating and they're going up to the next level, or maybe they're going to another job, or maybe they're doing something else. But for this particular promotion, you don't even have to be graduating. We're just calling it graduation day because it's May, and if you have kids or have a kid that's...
They graduate next week, too.
Yeah, they graduate. Everyone's graduating and going off to vacation or going off to another college. We're having an Apple sale, so you buy one, get one half off. That means... And the second one is a lesser value. So if you find a MacBook Pro, we got 2018s, 2019s, 2020s, even down to 2013s and 2014s. So you don't necessarily have to get that expensive, high-end laptop to do what you need to get done. A lot of times people may think that, well, if I'm going to college, I need this amazing laptop. Well, in college, what are you using? What? Word, Excel, maybe Googling here and there. Might be checking Facebook. I should be taking Facebook in class.
Well, in
but
some cases,
you know,
you might be trying to do engineering.
Well, if you're doing engineering, even that, you don't have to break the wallet, right, to get what you need to get done, especially here at Computers Plus. Now, we have an online store. You can visit us at computersplususa.com. Click that online store option and look at the many different products that we offer through Computers Plus with great shipping and great purchase options, which most people don't realize, but we have purchase options that allow you to actually pay weekly or monthly for that device. So you don't have to come out of the pocket with all that money up front. You can actually make payments. So we want information on that. Again, check out our website at computersplususa.com. Click purchase options rather than non-purchase options, because I don't think that's an option on the website.
No.
You got a purchase option. So we use Zelle, PayPal, Cash App. Majority of all rent-to-own companies. Go ahead, take a look at it. And if you don't have a question, then you won't be calling us. But if you do, make sure you give us a call at 770-693-0769. So, okay, Apple only. Now, this is buy one, get one half off. So you guys make sure, spread the word around. Let people know, because you might have a friend that might be going into engineering, musical engineering, graphic design, movie production, coding, and you say, hey, check out Computers Plus. They got some great deals in there. They offer a 3-month warranty with options to extend that warranty up to 2 years with that support that we've had for the past 13 years. Moving on to our 14th year. So you guys make sure you guys tell a friend, or if not, step on in. We're open 6 days a week, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Saturday from 9 to 6. So, and then we also do special requests on Sundays. So some people ask, hey, what? You guys are closing Sunday. You know, we wanted to, since Sunday was a day that we saw a lot of our private individual one-on-one type classes, we kind of saved that for Sunday. So if you're a senior, if you're a mom, if you're a dad, and you want that one-on-one, training, make sure you guys give us a call, and we're gonna help you guys out. We're gonna get you where you need to go, because that's what we enjoy doing, and we've been doing it for now 13 years. And I get excited every year that goes by. because that means that I get to do something that I enjoy, and that's giving you guys information about tech. Now, some information about tech that's happening and it's going around. Now, we all know that there are a lot of dark web people sites out there that focus on trying to traffic people, right? I think Kat, we put a post out there maybe last month where you had these people on Facebook, right? Facebook. Now we monitor some Facebook groups. You have people on Facebook that said, "Hey, I'm looking to hire some house cleaners, and I'll pay them $900 a day."
Well, it's also their hours too.
And it's like $900 a day, like.
Sure,
Sure. If it sounds too good to be true, it normally is. I guarantee you, if it sounds good to be true, it normally is. So this is one way that these bad actors have kidnapped people, right? I mean, they literally have kidnapped people. I tell people all the time, if you are selling on Facebook Marketplace, please meet at a location. Don't have them come to your house. You don't know who that person is, and you can make a fake profile like that. I think we did a segment last week where one of our customers had someone that made a fake request of a friend, basically just out of thin air, and asked for a second friend request. And you got to be careful because you don't know who you're talking to. Just because they're on the internet doesn't mean that they are who they are. And when it's your life involved, it's not, it's just not worth it. So, meet me down the street, meet me at the store, and then I can make this transaction. Hey, come to Computers Plus, right? If you're buying a device or anything and you want like a safe space, by all means, come in through our business hours and we'll, make sure that you're safe while you're here conducting a business. Or like Cass said, at a police station, it was a great opportunity to get involved with your community and say, hey, you know what? I'm going to be selling this high dollar piece of equipment or something, and I just want to make sure that I'm selling to the person who they are. And I can tell you a story because before it got, and what made me a real advocate of this is because I actually sold something on Facebook from my house, and I put the price amount, and I wasn't there because I was out saving the world one computer at a time, and the person did not put the full amount, and I text them back and disappeared, blocked me, and so that was like, and that was 7 years ago, and I was like, ping, I was like, you know what, if this can happen to me, imagine what can happen to some people, kidnapping, there was,
not to mention now
there's a funny
your house and they know where you live and they know when you're
exactly
not there.
now when you're home, so they can just make
now
rounds. You gotta be careful. We gotta turn on all the little point bulletins and be more aware because people aren't as who they are always, and we've noticed that especially with online hacking. A lot of people will say they are Sam or say that they're this, and they're not who they are, and they got your information. And identity theft, kidnapping. I mean, that's these bad actors are bad people. And on a lighter note, if you want to catch out a good movie, check out. I was talking. There was a movie that starred Bette Midler and Danny DeVito.
It's actually called Ruthless People.
Ruthless People. If you've ever seen that movie, it's hilarious. Now, Bette Midler. Whenever you team up Bette Midler and Danny DeVito, you're gonna have a belly full of laughs. Well, this is kind of like that whole segue about kidnapping because if you watch the movie, there was parts and times where the kidnappers monitored her and saw where she was going to be at. And if you give someone your address, you don't know who that person is. So please, by all means, utilize your local police department, your local fire department, a private, a open public space, a Walmart, somewhere where people can see you just in case something isn't right. And if you have that gut feeling, it probably isn't right. And that also reminds me because a lot, I was watching a segment and it was kind of funny. Sometimes I know, so we do this blog every day about how to keep yourself safe. And sometimes I'm wondering if like certain places are like looking at our blog and saying, hey, let's talk about this. But there is a high theft going on with iPhones, and there's a lot of times where people are getting your iPhone and they are changing the iCloud user ID. Once they change that iCloud user ID, you are locked out of that system for good. Apple cannot get you back in that system. They will not get you back in the system because how you can prove it was you, and they just don't have enough time because they're too busy making money to worry about you, the customer. And so be careful. Also, it's recommended that you guys at least make a 5 to 6 digit PIN code. The 4-digit code, there are some people that get lucky. And to be honest, if your code on your phone is 1234, please change it. That is the most popular code that people use. So as a thief would do is if he gets an iPhone, the first thing to try is 1234, maybe 5, 6, 7, 8. But 4 digits are really not, a lot of digits are 4 zeros.
So this is something that just pulled up that we should probably make people aware of.
Okay.
Apparently there's a trend on TikTok where strangers, random people, will walk into a stranger's house if they've got the door open. Or
Oh my gosh, really? Someone's going to get shot.
So they're doing it
They're
right
actually
now.
on TikTok randomly walking in people's houses.
Yeah.
Not in Kennesaw.
They're seeing this right now.
Not in Kennesaw.
But I don't
Acworth too.
I don't know where this
Try that in
video's
Acworth or
at,
Kennesaw, and you won't have some problems.
But the guy
You will have
who's
some
coming-
problems.
But get this, the video that is being live streamed right
Yeah.
now, or whatever, recorded,
Yeah.
or whatever they want to do with it, the guy's literally coming up the steps with his kid behind him, who can't be more than 3 years old, and is telling him to get
See,
out.
that is.
And the guy, instead of just getting out, goes into the living room, sits on the couch, and then gets screamed at from the guy, and then stands up and starts going out. And they think it's all like it's a group
Wow.
of young. And
Wow.
I hate. I'm
Wow.
not trying to like marginalize.
That is
it,
the most
but
idiotic thing that anyone can do in their
it's
whole
a
life.
group of like 4 or 5 young.
You are
black
breaking
kids.
so many laws. You're breaking and entering.
Endangerment. At that point.
Could be kidnapping. It could be kidnapping. It could be ruled as kidnapping, depending on how it happened. But you randomly walk into someone's house.
Yeah, and the
You
guy,
can get
one of the
in some
guys is,
serious
like,
trouble.
Sweeping, like he's got his front door open. He's in the front over here, like
Yeah.
sweeping up
Yeah.
like leaves
And
and
people
dirt
just
and stuff.
walking
and they just
in.
walk
Oh my
But
gosh.
here's the problem. Here's the other problem. It's a group of like 4 or 5 young black men, and who's to say that you're not going to get shot because they're going to unfortunately racially profile you, not knowing what you're doing, not knowing what's going on.
Well,
think this
you
is
know,
this is a cool little stunt to do. It's like, can we just
Please.
be smarter?
It doesn't look whether you're dark brown, off yellow, off beige. Do not walk into a house to fulfill some TikTok saga because you can really get in trouble.
This is like the
there
new
are
thing,
there
you're
are
gonna get shot and
you're
killed.
going to get hurt.
And
So
that
if
is,
you
they
happen
have a right to protect their home.
right, if you happen to know a youngster that's on TikTok, tell them please use some common sense and don't walk into somebody's house because you can really get hurt. You know, TikTok. That reminds me. There's a state, Wyoming, right? Can you Google that?
Yeah.
I believe it's Wyoming. Just banned TikTok. Now that's going to be interesting because Montana. I was close.
Montana, the governor
Sort of.
signed a bill Wednesday banning TikTok in the state.
Yes, banning TikTok. Now how they regulate that, cat? That's going to be tough. But apparently, what they're doing is from this point on, like, so if you already have TikTok, I doubt they would try to go after all the records from Apple or whoever because they're not going to give it. That's private information.
But if you have it on your phone,
well, yeah,
or if you have it on like
TikTok
say,
police,
what have you?
I'm from the TikTok police. I want to check your phone, make sure you don't have TikTok. Now, look, freedom is freedom. Right? Freedom is freedom. Let's have freedom to express our feelings, to express our opinions, and not feel like we're going to be victimized or be
Yeah, but
like
if you're
slaughtered.
using it to break into people's
Well,
houses. and you're doing it as a stunt,
hey,
who's to say that that's, you know?
I need a crowbar to pry out some old decking boards. Are they going to ban crowbars because people use crowbars to break into homes?
Yeah, but you're not videotaping yourself like committing a crime.
But
you're committing a crime when you're doing that.
We know that, but some people are dancing on TikTok. My chiropractor's on TikTok.
Isn't your doctor on it?
No, but my chiropractor's on TikTok, and I was like, hey, you know, so TikTok can be used for some really cool things like social media and Facebook to be able to get your message out to your viewers or followers, but
is because of security concerns.
But doing it because there was one TikTok, there was a cinnamon challenge. We gotta be smart.
Are we starting to sniff cinnamon now?
Yeah, no, it's been going on for years. I'm not going to even talk about it. But when I was growing up, you had like WWF was like the biggest thing ever. Like that was the TikTok WWF, and you had us kids making belts like we were in the WWF, jumping off mom and dad's couch, sumoplexing our friends, laughing, and some kids really got hurt.
Yeah.
They really got hurt. And so,
fake.
right, because it's fake, right? We thought, I don't know, we kind of believed it was fake, but we had that.
When you look at
we
it,
had
it
that
is male
little,
soap opera.
We had that little thing that says, you know
soap
what?
opera for male.
That you can't fake a suplex. That's gonna hurt, right? You know, you clothesline somebody, it's gonna hurt. So yes, we knew there was a point of it that was fake, but then we also knew that part of it was real, and kids were getting hurt. So they had the little disclaimer that would say, WWF, please don't try this at home, because you had kids jumping off, breaking their neck. So I've been one of those dumb kids.
Do you remember?
Never
when
broken
Barbie
laws,
got sued and
but
they had
not.
They had to make that disclaimer. Doll does not actually move by itself.
Oh, I remember that.
Because Barbie got sued.
Because somebody bought the Barbie and thought, hey,
it would move on.
it's supposed to move like the commercial. Okay, well, we're jumping off subject here. Hey, so I want to remind everybody of our Apple sale, and also drop a comment. Share it with a friend. We talk about security all the time, about how you can keep yourself safe, and we need to get the word to travel, because we're not just here just to kind of fix your stuff and kind of get out. We want to have that relationship with you guys, and we've been doing it for now 13 years, going on strong 14 years, and we want to continue to do that with our customers. So we're offering some great things on our website. Make sure you guys stay tuned. And I'm Terrence, your computer concierge. Sign off. Hey, make sure you guys have a great, awesome weekend. School's almost out, so I know people are going to be out at the beach, over here, over there. Make sure you guys check in your computers before you go on that vacation, because nobody likes going on vacation. We had a customer, and I'm going to wrap this up. We had a customer that came in and said, I'm going on vacation. I need to get this laptop fixed like yesterday. And we were able to get it fixed in 2 days, right?
Yep.
Yes. So, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge. We'll see you guys soon.